I'm Nate.
And I'm Sawyer.
And this is CRU Weekly.
And now Chip catches up with Mr. Ramo about one-act play.
Today I'm here with Mr. Ramo asking her some questions about the one-act play. Mr. Ramo, how are you and the students overcoming obstacles and challenges to make this a successful play?
Well, just a lot of hard work. We try to practice pretty much every day. Usually it's on the stage in the high school gym. So we always have a lot of noise to deal with because there's always some volleyball, I believe we're starting to come into the basketball season. So we're always practicing with a lot of noise in the background. But, we're kind of used to it, and it's okay because it really helps the kids know that they have to speak loudly and project. So even if we can't, hear a lot of what's happening, it really helps them learn how to project. So in a sense, it's an obstacle, but it's at the same time we make the best of it. Other things are just, scheduling, like we have people that are going to cross-country meets and going to swim meets and things like that. So, we're having to work around scheduling and things like that, but, it all works out, and it happens every year, so we're kind of getting used to knowing how and when, we have to really concentrate. So, like, this month we're using Saturdays. We come up here on Saturdays and practice and use a bigger block of time when we can really just concentrate with quiet and have the space to ourselves and really get a lot of work done.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ramo.
Sure.
Hey, Richards, dude, likes a girlfriend.
She's not my girlfriend.
Yeah, she is. We even saw you kiss her.
It was an accident. Come on.
No, it wasn't.
I swear I'll kill you.
Hey, come any closer and this is what you get. It's alright, Stephen. It's really alright.
And now a word from Ms. Conan about ACT testing.
Hi, Ms. Conan. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing well today. Thanks.
Yeah. So, tell us when the next ACT will be.
The next ACT test is scheduled for October 28th, and it's scheduled locally through a couple different places. I know that Robert E. Lee gives it, and I know that TJC also gives it here locally.
And how can students prepare for this test?
It's a really good idea to brush up on general math skills, a lot of review on Algebra 1 and 2, a little bit of geometry. The core area in science is a great place to brush up. It's a very good idea to brush up on graphs and charts and interpreting data, the critical thinking from reading a passage or a word problem and then disseminating that information into a proper data chart and then a graph is a great way to brush up on some of those things.
And how is this different from the SAT?
The two tests are similar in nature, and many colleges will accept both. However, the ACT is separated more into categories, and the SAT is not. It's harder, I would think, for a student who is more challenged in math or science to take the ACT. Many students used to like taking the ACT better. They felt like the test was shorter in length. However, with the change in SAT and the way they have restructured it, they're very similar in nature. They do ask similar pieces of information. It's a great idea to brush up and just review some of the things that you've learned.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Our reporter Nate Grundy catches up with Mr. Gatley.
So, Mr. Gatley, what's the band been up to these days?
Oh man, we're getting to a busy season. Friday morning, we're going over to St. Gregory. We're going to be part of the St. Gregory Future Crusader pep rally. Take the cheerleaders over there, take the trombone players, take the dance team, take the band. Friday night, the high school and middle school band are both going to get together and perform at the football game. We're going to play up in the stands, we're going to march at halftime. Saturday morning, this week, we're going to go to the Tyler Rose Parade and march that in the morning. If you can't get up and get out to the stadium, you can watch us on TV. Let's see, Monday we're taking the drum line. We're going to Waco Midway High School for the annual drumline competition. So TAPS drumline, who knows what's going to happen there. We're going to have a good time. And what else?
All right, that's it.
That's
Thank you.
it. Ready to go.
And now an update on the new athletic center.
This is a hard hat area.
Alright, so over here is the girls' locker room, showers, and then dance room down there. And then we'll have coach's office, and then the weight room down there. So there's a
Here we have coach's office and conference room, and down there there's alumni room for all the alumni. And this whole area back here, that's all going to be lockers for boys. And the area we're in right now is going to be showers and bathrooms, and that's mainly the upstairs area.
CC, with the season concluding, give me your thoughts on what the team can learn from the season going into next year.
I think the team can learn that we need some more focus, grit, and positivity on the court. I also think that we need to learn to overcome obstacles and just push through each game as the season goes on.
All right, thank you. The team did very well in the last meet. What kind of confidence does the team have moving forward from this meet?
Alright, so moving forward, we're looking good so far. All personal best times at the next meet, so we're moving forward to get better times, and hopefully onto the state competition we'll have really good times so we can beat out the other schools.
Alright, thank you. Both teams placed first overall in the district meet Thursday. What should we be expecting to see from the team moving forward to state?
Well, it's one of the best teams we've had in a lot of years at Gorman, so you should be expecting a really good team result at state and individually.
Alright, thanks, Sydney.
Thanks for watching.
Join us next week on CRU Weekly.